Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 35, light, shadow and reflection. In this worksheet we will discuss about what are shadows or how they form. The shadow is actually just a space or region where there is no light since an opaque object is blocking the light rays. जब कोई opaque object light rays को block करता है तो क्या हो जाता है? Shadow is formed. A shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. What do you mean by opaque objects? Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. जिनमें से light pass through नहीं होती, ऐसे objects को हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Opaque. A shadow needs a screen where it is formed. Shadow को बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए? It needs a screen. For example, a ground or walls of a room or even surfaces of building. These all are act as a screen for formation of shadow. Shadow gives us an idea about the shape of different object. Shadow से हमें किस बात का आइडिया मिलता है? Shapes of different objects. Shapes पता चलता है और it can even mislead us about the shape. कभी कभी shadow हमें क्या करती है? Mislead करती है. कैसे? For example, the shadow of cone appears to be a triangle on the screen. So, ये एक cone की shape हमें कभी कभी कैसे दिखती है? Cone is this one. It appears like a triangle. So, sometimes shadow mislead about the shape of the objects. Now, the dark patch formed due to obstruction of light rays by an opaque object is called shadow. The type of shadow will depends on. Shadow का type जो है किस तरह की shadow बनेगी ये it depends on. First one is light source. Second, nature of object blocking the light. And third, the distances between the light source, the object and the surface that the shadow is cast on. जिस सरफेस पर शेडो बन रही है उस सरफेस के नेचर पर डिपेंड करता है बच्चों, लाइट सोर्स पर डिपेंड करता है और लाइट सोर्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है इस बात पर डिपेंड करता है. When it is early morning or late afternoon, you may notice that your shadow are elongated. Early morning में और आफ्टरनून में मीन्स इवनिंग टाइम में शेडो कैसे बनते हैं? लंबी लंबी बनती हैं, elongated बनती हैं. But at noon, when the sun is right above your head, the shadow form is short and dark in nature. Let us practice or discuss the question answer. First question is, what is shadow? So, shadow क्या होती है बच्चों? A dark patch formed due to the formation of light rays by an opaque object called shadow. This is the definition of shadow. Second question is, how is shadow formed? Shadow कैसे बनती है? Shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. Question number 3. What information does a shadow give about an object? क्या बताती है shadow हमें किसी object के बारे में? Answer is, shadow gives an idea about the space, about the shapes of different objects, or sometimes it misleads us about the shapes of different objects. Thanks for watching.